Consider the cardinal rule of comedy, improv, yes, and. Listen to whatever is being said, and then riff off of it. And if you're the just one doing the legwork, it'll be quite apparent if they're giving you absolutely nothing to deal with, then your date simply sucks, and you can liquidate your tab in. Stress and anxiety is driven by uncertainty, so if you have a versatile exit strategy, you'll feel more positive, says Dr. Hendrickson. And if you hesitate of feeling the pressure to remain out truly late, even if the date is great, you can plan something between occasions, or throughout the day. It's excellent to have a guaranteed time you require it to be over with, says Dr. If you go on a Saturday afternoon date, there's no commitment then to what takes place next. If you've gone on a handful of dates, and they have actually all been stilted and agonizing to survive, it might be excellent to reassess your own behavior on dates. If you're insecure about your social skills, you could get feedback from close friends and find out how you're discovering, says Dr. If the idea of talking with anybody new freaks you out, even if it has to do with all the important things you hardcore stand the most, you might be more than simply shy. With social anxiety, among the greatest fears individuals have is fulfilling strangers, says Dr. If you believe you have a lot of fears that cluster together, it might be good to seek therapy and discover out where these worries of meeting brand new individuals are originating from. Introverts can feel tremendous dating app tiredness, specifically when they're stuck in a cycle of swiping however. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.